Gozo morning on my skin, salt on my shoulders, ease me in. Comino calling from the blue, I keep drifting back to you. Fish move slow through broken sun, silver tails and quiet lungs. I let the day go soft and low, down where the warm tides glow.